up, everyone? Welcome to the show and good morning, United States of America. Anyways, let's do a demo event. We're gonna go to the Triump motorcycle dealership. Well, it does also have Royal Enfield, I think. That's how you say it. And then Suzuki as well. So we're gonna go to that motorcycle dealership in Brea, California. They have a demo event for Triumph motorcycles. It's a modern classic style. So I'm kind of curious of what it looks like. Probably one of those classic ones that are, you know, for just cruising. What if they have the Trident? No, that's not classic. That's a brand new modern one. So we're gonna go there. Is this Lambert? Yes, it is. Let's say hi to him. Ooh, that's a GSXS. What's happening? Not much. Alright, I wonder what they have for today. I'm gonna ask them if we're allowed to use the whatchamacallit, the camera. But I'm gonna turn this off. I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Alright, so our first bike demo for right now is the Speed Twin 900. Oh yeah, they let me use the camera, so we're good. Well, the seat position is a lot different than my Suzuki Gixxer 750. So this one has pretty nice mirrors, as a matter of fact. This is, ooh, the seat is comfortable. Gotta find the friction zone in this thing. Okay, it's biting somewhere over there. Oh, it lets me know if it's biting. Yeah, it revs up a little. I mean, it idles up a little bit. Woo! The instruments is pretty nice, actually. I like that. The body of the Speed Twin 900 is pretty good. I don't know what this is. Let's find a horn. Yeah. There we go. The seat is comfortable. I'm like, nah. I like it. I forgot this thing has a gear indicator. Woo-wee! I like the sound of Okay. Without further interruptions. Sorry for the dust, Triumph. A truck driver just cut me off. The engine sounds nice, as a matter of fact. Woo, I like it. The seat is comfortable. I like the riding position. I mean, I used to ride a Kawasaki Z1000, which is a naked bike. And I like the instrumental panel, as if that's what you call it. I'm on third gear. I'll put it on forward. The speed, the twin speed 900 is really calm. I like that. Oh. Okay, let's try the... Ooh, this is nice. Oh, it only goes to fifth gear. Up. We got a chance. It's nimble too. Woo! My goodness. I really like the side mirrors. It got some kicks too. Yeah.
What do you think about the bike?
It's pretty quick and the seat is comfortable. I like it.
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
take it.
I like it. Thank you. I would like to try this one, if that's okay.
Sure. One of the best bikes you got.
Huh?
It's one of my favorite bikes.
The Bonneville
Oh yeah.
T100.
I like the T100. It's 1200 cc.
Ooh. Yeah, I like that sound. Woo. Okay, this seat is a little bit hard. Mirrors are good. Oh, wait. I like the classic instrumental panel over here. How about the sound? Oh yeah. What the, this fly is riding with me. What the? Okay, this one has information over here. Road. Oh no, I can't. Oh, that it has a trip mirror. And it tells me the, let's see. Okay, it gives me the, how many miles per gallon on this one too. Ooh, I like the pickup. The sound has that soft rumble feeling, and that's a very calm rumble sound. I like that. Engine braking is good. I like that. Oh my gosh. That's a nice pickup. I like that. It's so light and nimble. No wonder you like this. This one is smooth. I'm gonna try to bobber later. Get some water in quick. Break time. All right, this is round 3. This one looks nice. Ooh. Oh. The peg position is nice, but it does have power. Let's see on the second gear. Excuse me. Woo! Oh, I felt that power. Oh my goodness. Ow. On my eye. I got dust in my eye. Anyways, same instrumental panel like the other ones. Which one? It's the Speed Twin 900. And also, it has the same thing as the Triump 660 and 800, I believe. Damn, this thing has... Wow, this thing has a lot of power. Let's see the bite. I like the end bar side mirrors. As long as they have the handlebars like this, it's good. If you have the Super Sports, it's not gonna look good, I would say. Okay, so let's see. The seat is a little bit stiff. It's not as soft as the T100 and Speed Twin 900, which is okay. Uh-oh, dang. I do not recommend this one to lane split if it's too narrow with the end bars. I gotta keep myself noted on that one. Ooh, that pickup though. The body is a little bit narrow, but I kind of like it. It's just the seat is a little bit, you know, stiff or a little hard or something like that. Oh yes. Speed 1200 is light. This is nimble. I'll probably take this for a long ride, but probably an hour ride, maybe 2. But like a road trip, like going to Orange County to Vegas, not so sure about it. Ooh. Okay, we're going to the freeway. Ooh boy, look at that. Yeah, the seat's on the rough side. It's not as comfortable as the other ones, but it's pretty nimble. I like that. Oh no. Oh, did it just pop? The Speed 1200 is Pretty good. I do like the position of the side mirrors, and the torque is right there. Wow, the acceleration is woof. Woo-wee. Now is on the rough side. I prefer the T100 and the, let's see, the Speed Twin 900.
I feel like the Speed Twin 9 was nice.
Yeah, it's a lot more comfortable, I'll tell you that. Alright, now we're gonna try out the bobber. So the key is right there. Woo! Okay, gotta know where the... Oh, this is just like the ghost bobber that I used to do. Okay. Okay, the peg position is way up front, which I'm not used to that. Oop. It doesn't like that. It also tells you the gear indicator in this one. Alright, this one has N-bar side mirrors, and the instrumental panel of this one is pretty simple. This one doesn't like to sit on the lower RPM. The seat is a little bit on the rough side, but the riding position is good. Feels like, yeah, you're on a bobber, so. This is a lot lower than the Speed 1200, the 900, and the T1 Bonneville T100. Woo! But this one has power too. Okay. Yeah. The seat, since it's a bobber, the seat is on the rough side, but the suspension is pretty pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm flat-footed in this thing. I think bobber is a good thing. Okay, those 3 bikes that I rode, they have good suspensions, and they're let's see, they're quite nimble, as a matter of fact. I want to see how nimble this thing is on the bobber. I want to check it out. Oh, it tells me like where. The seat might be a little on the right side, but it's nimble. But yeah, it's quite nimble. Oh yeah, I gotta watch out for those holes on the right side. Man, what the? There's holes over here on this side too. Ah. I think we need to fix the pavement over here. All on the floor on aisle 1. Oh. Alright, let's try out this corner over here. Like that. Ah, I should have called my uncle for this. Next time when they got a demo event out, I'm gonna bring my uncle. Why is this set up on rain? Oh, this one has a cruise control. I should have used it. How do I use it though? I'm not racing you, buddy. This is a demo bike. My Gixxer is parked in a dealership right now, so yeah, you're gonna have to wait for that. Just kidding. Oh, it it hauls ass.
Yeah, you think the shifter was a little stiff going through the gears?
Not really. It was okay. It's just a position itself is a little far, yeah.
Sweet.
I mean, I tried the bobber before, but yeah, it's been a while. But yeah, let's see, the seat is kind of a little on the rough side, but feels like you're pretty good on the long distance run.
Hope so.
Yeah. But yeah, but other than that, this is good. It's pretty. I mean, it's pretty quick on the acceleration.
Yeah, it is. That's a lot of power.
Yeah, it has that power. I like it. Let's go around it. This one's my favorite one though. This, yeah.
This should be the favorite of all.
Yeah, this.
I like the 900 twin, the Super.
Yeah, the 900 the Speed Twin, it's more comfortable.
More comfortable than this?
I mean, this one's pretty comfortable. But the seat on the Speed Twin 900 is a lot softer. This one's not rough.
You rode this one today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this one next.
Yeah. This is good for cruising.
Yeah.
I like this. Let's see. Oh, that's on first gear though.
There you go.
Ooh.
Careful pulling out.
All right. Thank you. I'll be right back. Okay, peg position is normal as the Bonneville T100 and the Speed Twin 900, but the power should be way less than the other ones. This is a 400. Oh yeah. The ride height is as high as the Speed Twin 900 and the 1200. But the power is much lower than the other ones. Let's try it out. Well, it's not so bad actually. The power is right there. I like it. instrument panel is pretty simple as well. There's your speedometer. I think that's your gas mileage right there. You can switch it to the odometer. And then it also has a hazard button over here. This one also has the N-bar side mirrors. I'm getting addicted to the N-bar side mirrors. I might get one, but not for my Gixxer 750. Okay. It won't. It's a 400, man. It's a 400. You can't be revving too high. Let's see. The seat in this one is another little rough side, but it feels a bit comfortable. It's not bad. I thought I heard a siren, but it's this thing when I'm doing the engine brake. Oh my gosh. I think almost all Triumph motorcycles are nimble. I mean, this one is nimble. It's light. Oh, yes. 6-speed. Okay. Oh, this thing is nimble. Even though it has a lower CC, this thing is nimble. I don't care what you said. If you have a 600cc, 1000cc, unless you could do it, unless you could do a twisties in the canyon, don't say anything. Please. This thing is a lower CC, but it's nimble. See what I mean? I just dodged that hole, no problem. See if there's any hole. See that? Wow. You can flicker this thing as quick as you want. Wow, okay. Engine braking. Whoa. I'm full throttling it. But it still could go to 70 miles per hour, and I'll go faster than 80 miles per hour. That's enough for the speed, freeway speed. I mean, everybody's going what, 90, 90, 95. But if you're just gonna cruise around, you don't need that much, speed. It looks nice and white though. Of course, that typical sound of a 400cc, maybe less. Does have a traction control. I wonder what's the range for this one. It's not too bad. And yeah. You can flicker this real quick. I don't think I'll be able to do that on my Gixxer 750. I don't know. The 750 is light. I mean, it's light, but not as light as this. Doggy, doggy. You're a cute doggy. And doggy. I was like, huh? Dog's like, huh? On Tamarack Avenue, we're close now. We're getting close. This is gonna be our last demo ride. So I demo ride the Bonneville T100, the Speed Twin 900, and the Speed Twin 1200, and the Bobber. The Bobber. What else? And this. The Speed 400. Even though this one is a lowered CC, this feels fun, and it's pretty comfortable. Wait. I already did the Speed Twin 900. Oh yeah, this light. Tires a little thinner. Tires a little thinner than the Speed Twin 1200. Bobber is lowered. I picked it all. I mean, I picked all 5 of them, especially the Bonneville T100. This is comfortable, and the sound of the exhaust. Oh my goodness, you will love it. All right, so that should be everything. Oh man, I hate to say this, but I think it's time to go home. Alright guys, thank you very much for letting me test those.
You're welcome.
I like all of them, especially the Speed 400. It's flickery. That thing flicks really quick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alrighty, thank you very much guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Run safe, okay?
Thank you. You guys have a good day. I hate to do this, but it's time for me to say, oh.
All set?
Yep, I'm all set.
Which one was the winner?
I mean, I like them all actually. Okay, the Speed Twin, I mean the Speed 400 has a small CC, but it flickers pretty quick.
Yeah.
And then the Speed Twin 900, 1200 they're pretty comfortable.
Yep.
The 1200 is a little rough on the seat,
Yeah.
but it's probably on the long run, on a long trip, it's comfortable.
The sportier the suspension gets, the stiffer it is.
Yeah. And then the Bonneville T100, that's the one that's, oh yeah, that's comfortable.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming out, man.
Hey, thank you. I did last year. Yeah, the Speed Trip. Oh, which one is this? 765. I think I did the. Was it the 1050 or?
The street's been a 765 for a long time.
Okay.
Luckily, this one it's been obviously this one's been
Okay.
Mickey Cohen pretty much did the tune on it. Once I got the pipe, pretty much he upgraded obviously the filter and opened it up. So this is not a regular 765. It makes what it makes, and it doesn't run fucking rich. Because once I put on the race pipe, it runs. Obviously, all bikes run rich.
Mm-hmm.
But he put it to where it's safe.
Yeah.
More power. It's a rock show.
Wow. Yeah, I've ridden this. I mean, yeah, I demoed the Street Triple last year. I don't know what CC it is, but it was nimble. Yeah, it was light and nimble. I like it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming out, man.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, do I need gloves?
All right, guys. You guys have a good day. Alright, I hate to say this, but it's time for me to go home. But who says we're gonna stop? Who says we're gonna stop? Oh, is that the Indian? That's the Ghost Bobber. Let's see, what time is it? It's 12. Do we have time for Jollibee? It's taking me a long way. Guess I'll take the side street. What's this? South Harbor. Alright. Alright, Black Cherry Bomb. Let's grab something to eat. Alright, so that's everything for the Triumph demo event, the classic modern motorcycles. So yeah, we're gonna cut this off for the professional, you know, for the professional video. And then we're gonna go back to our crazy stuff. With not safe for work, not safe for children, especially for cursing. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.